दवाइयाँ बनाने वाले, मशीनरीज बनाने वाले और साथ में उसके विक्रेता सभी एक जगह पर इकट्ठा होके ये पूरा अपना एग्जीबिशन करके गुजरात का संदेशा पूरा भारत तक देने के लिए यहाँ के जितने भी एसोसिएशन के साथ जुड़े हुए सभी लोगों को मैं बधाई भी देता हूँ।
The experience has been phenomenal and we are very happy to be the title sponsor of this show. So we have experienced visitors and guests from the entire part of country, even international visitors were also there.
We are continuously participating since last 6 to 7 years. Lots of visitors visited and the valuable and quality visitors we found in yesterday and today.
काफ़ी कुछ पोटेंशियल क्लाइंट्स यहाँ पे मिले हैं, जैसे जाइडस है, इंटास है, सन फार्मा है, बड़े से लेके छोटा सारी जो कंपनियां हैं हमारे यहाँ विजिट की है।
So Singh from Gujarat. So I take care new projects, and this is first time we are exhibiting in this PharmaTech Expo. Nice experience, good experience.
We are exhibiting since 4 years. And it is a great platform for all the companies related to nutraceuticals and pharmaceutical manufacturing, trading.
Exhibiting here is always a great platform to meet and greet our, of course, the clients, and we understand what are the market trends going on. So yes, PharmaTech is a good platform to meet people around and understand the market trend.
Dr. Mahadevappa, I came from Dharwad, Karnataka. I came and visited the stalls here. Really, I am impressed with all the stalls. And particularly, Ahmedabad has significantly contributed regard to the pharma. Excellent exhibition. In fact, I am going to stay tomorrow also to discuss with the suppliers and some consultants.